Hello everyone, let us discuss resilience and overcoming adversity today. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, overcome challenges, and adapt to change. It is the quality that enables individuals to persevere and thrive in adversity. Resilient people possess skills and attitudes that allow them to cope with stress and adversity, maintain a positive outlook, and continue to pursue their goals and dreams despite setbacks. Resilience is a powerful tool that can help individuals overcome adversity and succeed. It enables individuals to remain focused on their goals and stay motivated despite challenges and setbacks. Resilience also helps individuals cope with stress and maintain physical and emotional health. Studies have shown that individuals with higher levels of strength are better equipped to handle stress and maintain their mental health. They are also less likely to experience depression, anxiety, and other mental health issues. One of the key components of resilience is persistence. Persistence is the ability to continue pursuing one's goals despite setbacks, obstacles, and failures. The quality enables individuals to keep going when others would have given up. Persistence is a critical component of success. Many successful individuals attribute their success to their ability to persist in adversity. They recognize that setbacks and failures are a natural part of the process and that persistence is essential to achieving their goals. Adversity is a natural part of life. It is inevitable that at some point in our lives, we will all face challenges, setbacks, and obstacles that seem insurmountable. It is during these challenging times that resilience becomes crucial in overcoming adversity. Overcoming adversity can also bring many benefits. It can help individuals develop strength, confidence, and resilience. It can also give individuals a new perspective on life, enabling them to appreciate the good things and recognize the importance of perseverance and determination. Overcoming adversity can also lead to personal growth and development. It can help individuals identify their strengths and weaknesses, develop new skills and abilities, and learn important life lessons that can be applied in future situations. While resilience is a natural quality, it can also be developed and strengthened over time. There are several strategies that individuals can use to build resilience and overcome adversity. Cultivate a positive mindset. One of the most important strategies for building resilience is to cultivate a positive mindset. This involves focusing on the positive aspects of life, maintaining a sense of hope and optimism, and recognizing that setbacks and failures are a natural part of the process. Build a support network. Building a fanatical support network of family, friends, and mentors can also help individuals build resilience. Having people to turn to for support and guidance can help individuals navigate tricky situations and provide them with the encouragement and motivation they need to persevere. Develop coping skills. Developing coping skills such as mindfulness, meditation, and deep breathing can also help individuals build resilience. These skills can help individuals manage stress, reduce anxiety, and maintain their emotional and mental health. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals and breaking them down into more minor, achievable tasks can also help individuals build resilience. By setting achievable and measurable goals, individuals can build momentum and maintain motivation even in the face of setbacks and obstacles. Practice self-care. Finally, self-care is an essential strategy for building resilience. This involves caring for one's physical and emotional health by getting enough rest, eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and engaging in activities that bring joy and fulfillment. In conclusion, resilience is a critical quality that enables individuals to overcome adversity, achieve their goals, and lead fulfilling lives. Individuals can strengthen their resilience and overcome the most challenging obstacles by cultivating a positive mindset, building a support network, developing coping skills, setting realistic goals, and practicing self-care. It is important to remember that resilience is not a fixed trait but a skill that can be developed and improved over time. Through persistence and determination, individuals can overcome adversity and achieve success, regardless of their circumstances. In addition, it is crucial to recognize that everyone's journey is unique. While some individuals may overcome adversity quickly, others may require more time and effort to build resilience and overcome challenges. It is essential to be patient and compassionate with oneself during these times and to seek support and guidance from trusted individuals when needed. Ultimately, resilience is a powerful tool that can help individuals overcome adversity and grow and thrive in the face of challenges. By developing resilience and persisting in the pursuit of one's goals, individuals can achieve success and lead fulfilling lives. If you like my videos, you are welcome to recommend them, forward them to others, and subscribe to my channel for the latest content. Thanks for watching.